Let's continue from video number 4. Afternoon routine. Afternoon routine. Repeat after me. Repeat after me. I continue working. I continue working. I type on my keyboard. I type on my keyboard. I read documents. I read documents. I print papers. I print papers. I scan files. I scan files. I organize folders. I organize folders. I help my coworkers. I help my coworkers. I answer phone calls. I answer phone calls. I write notes. I write notes. I finish one project. I finish one project. I feel proud. I feel proud. I drink more water. I drink more water. I take another break. I take another break. It is 3 o'clock. It is 3 o'clock. I go for a short walk. I go for a short walk. I return to the office. I return to the office. I prepare a presentation. I prepare a presentation. I check my calendar. I check my calendar. I plan for tomorrow. I plan for tomorrow. It is 5 o'clock. It is 5 o'clock. Work is finished. Work is finished. Going home. Going home. Repeat after me. Repeat after me. I pack my things. I pack my things. I say goodbye to my coworkers. I say goodbye to my coworkers. I leave the office. I leave the office. I walk to the bus stop. I walk to the bus stop. The bus comes. The bus comes. I get on the bus. I get on the bus. I sit and relax. I sit and relax. I check my phone. I check my phone. I watch a video. I watch a video. I arrive home. I arrive home. I open the door. I open the door. I take off my shoes. I take off my shoes. I feel tired. I feel tired. Evening routine. Evening routine. Repeat after me. Repeat after me. I rest on the sofa. I rest on the sofa. I talk to my family. I talk to my family. I play with my kids. I play with my kids. I take a short nap. I take a short nap. I watch TV. I watch TV. I laugh at a funny show. I laugh at a funny show. I cook dinner. I cook dinner. I make rice and chicken. I make rice and chicken. I cut vegetables. I cut vegetables. I stir the soup. I stir the soup. Dinner is ready. Dinner is ready. I set the table. I set the table. We sit together. We sit together. We eat and talk. We eat and talk. We enjoy the food. We enjoy the food. After dinner, I wash the dishes. After dinner, I wash the dishes. I clean the table. I clean the table. I sweep the floor. I sweep the floor. I take out the trash. I take out the trash. Night routine. Night routine. Repeat after me. Repeat after me. I go to my room. I go to my room. I change my clothes. I change my clothes. I wear pajamas. I wear pajamas. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I wash my face. I read a book. I read a book. I check my phone. I check my phone. I talk to my friend. I talk to my friend. I write in my diary. I write in my diary. I feel sleepy. I feel sleepy. I turn off the light. I turn off the light. I lie down in bed. I lie down in bed. I close my eyes. I close my eyes. It is 10 o'clock. It is 10 o'clock. Good night. Good night. I sleep well. I sleep well. Weekend routine. Weekend routine. Repeat after me. Repeat after me. On the weekend, I wake up late. On the weekend, I wake up late. I relax in bed. I relax in bed. I watch a movie. I watch a movie. I clean the house. I clean the house. I wash my clothes. I wash my clothes. I go shopping. I go shopping. I visit my family. I visit my family. I call my friends. I call my friends. I take a walk in the park. I take a walk in the park. I enjoy the fresh air. I enjoy the fresh air. I go to a cafe. I go to a cafe. I drink coffee. I drink coffee. I read a book. I read a book. I play a game. I play a game. I listen to music. I listen to music. I dance. I dance. I sing. I sing. I smile. I smile. I enjoy my weekend. I enjoy my weekend. Well done. You finished today's shadow practice. Go through this video again. Train your speech. Train your ears. Train your mind. See you tomorrow. Bye.